Metro Manila mayors have approved a uniform parking ban on national primary roads to ease traffic congestion. Under MMDA Regulation Number 25-001, the Metro Manila Council prohibited parking on major thoroughfares such as EDSA, Ross Boulevard, Taft Avenue, Quezon Avenue, Commonwealth Avenue, Katipunan Avenue, and Bonifacio Drive. On-street parking may be allowed on secondary roads through local ordinances except from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The Swift Traffic Action Group, equipped with body cameras, will enforce the ban.
Now, to talk more about this, we have Attorney Crisanto Saruca Jr., Director 4 of the Traffic Discipline Office and Officer in Charge of the Metro Manila Council Secretariat. Good morning, sir. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning, and also good morning to your viewers.
Alright, Attorney, simula na po ba yung implementation ng parking ban na ito?
Kahapon po, nagkaroon po ng pagpupulong ang Metro Manila Council. Andun po ang ating mga mayors at kanilang mga representatives. At ipinasa nga po itong ating MMDA Regulation Number 25-001. Harmonizing public street parking in Metro Manila and for other purposes. So, i-finalize lang po namin yung version na ito. May konting amendments lang po ang mga mayor kahapon, and then we will already implement after due publication and registration with the Office of the Administrative Register po sa UP Law Center.
Meron po ba itong grace period? Kasi iba-iba po yung mga, of course, yung infrastructure sa iba't ibang city. So, I was wondering kung meron pong i-allow ang MMDA
especially sa commercial.
Na gracing period for this, or grace period.
Definitely po magkakaroon po ng very close coordination ng MMDA and our Metro Manila local government units kasi kagaya nga po na nabanggit nyo, iba-iba po ang nature and character ng mga kalsada natin sa Kalakang, Maynila. So may peculiarities po ang bawat LGU, and the MMDA will take that into consideration in consultation po dito sa mga traffic heads ng ating LGUs.
Kasi attorney, ang daming mga establishments na hindi sumunod sa mga zoning regulations dati na nagtayo ng mga kanilang mga businesses na walang provided parking. So ano po ang mangyayari sa kanila with regards to this? That's why we were asking about the grace period.
Opo, ito po yung nagiging kasagutan dyan po sa situation na yan na may mga establishments, mga restaurants, stores, and other business establishments na wala pong proper parking at sa kalsada po pumaparada o dili kaya ay sa sidewalk naman. So with this regulation po, i-curb po natin ya ang na-identify na problem na yan, and of course po, hindi naman agad-agad mai-implement kaagad ito dahil may mga pinag-uusapang road markings, devices, signages na dapat pa pong i-install para naman po sa kaalaman ng mga motorista at mga magpaparada. So may panahon po talagang dapat pag-usapan, may grace period po, tama po kayo.
Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. That was Attorney Crisanto Saruca Jr., Director 4 of the Traffic Discipline Office and Officer in Charge of the Metro Manila Council Secretariat.